Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my shrimp egg rolls, and here is just a few of the items you're going to need. So we got some sesame oil, soy sauce, there's some minced garlic, ginger, cornstarch, some egg roll wraps, I got some baked coleslaw, my shrimp right here, and some onion because I don't have the green onion, so I'm going to substitute a little bit of regular onion for that. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up my shrimp. I'm gonna finally chop this. You can leave them whole if you want, but this just ensures that it gets throughout the whole egg roll. And these are pre-cooked small shrimp. Speed that over. I'm going to chop just a section of this onion, and you're going to be using green onions. I just don't have any, so I'm going to use this instead. Just going to mince these really well. I want them really small. Just adding on for flavor. So I have the wok heating up. So adding in the onions and the garlic, and cook these down. And everything cooked in the oil. It's cooked down fast, so I'm going to get ready to go ahead and add in my coleslaw. In a small bowl, I'm going to add some soy sauce and my cornstarch. I'll just mix this together real good so you don't want those clumps to be in there. Okay, so that's smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the wok with our coleslaw mix, and then we'll add the shrimp in last. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our cornstarch and soy sauce, and then also add in some ground ginger. And just mix it up. It already smells good. We're just gonna cook this until the coleslaw is tender. And this is already cooked, so you don't want to cook the shrimp too much. Just want to get it mixed in. I'm going to taste this and make sure it tastes right, and see if I want to add any onion powder or garlic powder to this. So you got to taste your food. So I'm about to make the egg rolls. So I'm using these egg roll wraps, and you can find these in the vegetable section. That's where I got mine in my grocery store. So I don't know how many I'm gonna need at this point, so I'm just gonna go along, and I'll leave in the description box everything I used and how many wraps you would need for 2 cups of this slaw. So I will let you guys know. So let's get started wrapping. I also have this bowl of water because you're going to need this to close your wraps. So make sure you have some water in the bowl next to wherever you're going to start folding your wraps. So now that we're done wrapping the egg rolls, I'm gonna go ahead and place them in the grease. It's already hot and ready to go. You don't have to leave them in here long, so you just want to turn them over after about 2 minutes. One's already like browning. So these are pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and take them out and place them on a drying rack. Let them cool down, and I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright guys, so this made 5 egg rolls from 2 cups of coleslaw. But if you're just making them for yourself, then this should be enough. If not, you can go ahead and double the ingredients to make more. So I'm going to let these cool off. Alright y'all, so I like to eat mine with soy sauce. I'm going to pour a little bit of soy sauce in this one little dish. And some sweet and sour sauce. Alright everybody, so these are our finished egg rolls. I'm not an egg roll expert, but these definitely are delicious. So I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, hit the notifications bell so you know when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.